unboxing video from Penguin Random House, who, I think they also distribute books, because I think sometimes I feel like I get Candlewick titles, but we'll see. We'll go through this thing. All these books are on sale December 11th, so this is a little preview. Let's get started. So this book actually feels pretty heavy. Sometimes I actually get a box this size, and it will literally be one book. It might be a very large book, but or maybe just two books. Okay, so the first book is by Bob Graham, and is called The Posy Ring: A Love Story. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful illustrated, flowery. And so it's about a woman who throws a gold ring into the wind in the 1830s, and it settles in a meadow, and the ring goes on this journey. And so this is by Candlewick Press, and I don't know, it just looks like a beautifully illustrated. It also it feels longer than 32 pages. This might be I don't know, the pages are very thick. Anyway, this looks like a beautiful adventure. Kind of has a real old-fashioned feel. Let's see, the second book is called Peapod Lullaby, and it's by Glenda Millard and illustrated by Stephen Michael King. Let's take a look about that. I see a boat and a family with a polar bear in tow. And so this looks like a story of adventure and courage and hope. And a mother, a baby, a dog, and a boy flee for their lives. So, this is a really beautiful story, and it looks, kind of like a lullaby. But if you look at some of the clues they give you, this is also could be, and most likely is a refugee story. And so there's been a lot of refugee and immigration picture books lately, and I think they're really needed. So this one looks great. This one looks a little bit more whimsical and a little bit lighter while still giving the message. Definitely one to add to anyone's library looking for refugee and immigration experiences. This is a board book by David Elwan, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It looks like its illustrations are photographs of stuffed animals. So it looks very sweet. So it's definitely the same words in the well-known nursery rhyme, but with this family of teddy bears. So it looks like a sweet board book. It looks like it might even deviate and go into a bear theme. But this is good because it's also a book that you can sing as well as read, and kind of a nice small size for toddler hands. Here is another board book called Look, There's a Submarine by Nosy Crow, who is also part of Candlewick, and it's by Esther Arts, so 2 A's. I always like it when someone's last name kind of conveys what they're like, and so she definitely is the author and the illustrator. And this has die cuts, so that always makes it fun. It makes it interactive, and so it looks like the die cut moves and changes, and it's a ocean themed, and it looks very fun. Got diversity characters and a cat. So this is a little bit of a sturdier board book, a little bit thicker, heavy pages, but perfect for anyone who likes ocean adventures or is about to go to an aquarium. And here's another one from the same author, and here's a rocket theme, so these are sort of same kind of circle cutouts. This one has planets. This would be great, anyone going to a museum with a planetarium, or both even. Oh, and here is one of our favorite series of all time, Lucy Cousins, Little Fish Book. So this is not Amazing Book, which is the first series that we ever really fell in love with when my kids were born. And this one is a puppet, so I can't open it with one hand, but it looks like you have this finger puppet. Yep, you can push it through from one side, and you can interact with the puppet on every page, so help the little fish swim, with the charm of Lucy Cousins illustrations, which are so kid-friendly. She's the one who does the Macy series. Oh, okay, so there's 2 more books, and this one is called Flip Flap Dogs, so funny rhymes and hilarious hounds, and it's by Nikki Dyson, by Nosy Crow, they do a lot of interactive books too. So this one is an interesting spine, so it's like a spiral bound, almost like a flip book. Oh yeah, because it is a flip book. Okay, great. So this is one you can kind of mix and match. It has a decent amount of words too. So you know what it's fun? It's like for kids who want to make up different, kind of their own, breeds of dogs. And so it gives you kind of the characteristics of that breed on the back, and the picture, and just kind of mix and match. So if you have kids who love dogs or want dogs or rescue dogs or have a non-pedigreed dog or even a pedigreed dog, but kids who love dogs and want to think about all the different ways that they would mix and match, this looks like a really fun book. My kids would love it. We only have the one dog, but they always want more. And the last book is called Isle of You, and it's by David La Rochelle, illustrated by Jamie King. And it's a picture book, and it looks like it's about emotions. And so if you're upset, you can go to the Isle of You and leave your worries behind. So it looks like a lovely adventure for one. Almost like looks like a more social, emotional version of Where the Wild Things Are. Here, instead of going to an island of monsters, we are going to what looks like a castle, almost like going to Disneyland theme park. So a very gentle adventure, where if you're upset, you can retreat into your imagination and make yourself feel better. So that is an empowering message as well for kids. And maybe even pair this with Where the Wild Things Are, about how to handle upsets. So anyway, this is the book haul, and again, all of these books are available December 11th, and from Penguin Random House, but also, as we saw, Candlewick Press and Nosy Crow. So thank you for watching.